Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I thought of creating a universal matte nude look that can go with almost any outfit in case you're confused about what color combinations to use. And now without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, let's start the video. To prep my skin, I will first start with spritzing my face with some water. If you want, you can also switch it up with a toner. Post that, I am applying a moisturizer. This one's by Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. To hydrate my under eye area, I am using the Indulgio Rejuvenating Eye Serum. To moisturize my lips, I am using the Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline. Post these steps, I like to wait for at least 10 minutes so that my skin can absorb all the goodness of the skincare that I just did. Next, I'm spraying my face with the PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. After that, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Primer all over my face. And to fill in the pores of my forehead, nosy and under eye area, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To neutralize the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector. This one is by Miss Claire. In case you are interested in a detailed explanation on color correction, I'll leave the link for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation stick in the shade 4. I love how sheer and long lasting this foundation is, though it's a little drying on my face, but it should work absolutely fine if you prep your skin thoroughly before. And to blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. To highlight my features like the under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'm using a combination of the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade 2 and the dual ended contour stick by Wet n Wild in the shade medium. To blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. What this will do is that because this combination is lighter than my skin tone, it will pull these features forward and in turn make them appear more bigger and prominent. To sculpt and to give my face some dimension and structure, I'm using this contouring shade from the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette on my cheekbones, circumference of my face, to chisel my jawline and the sides of my nose with my angled brush. To give some color to my cheeks, I'm using this corally pink shade from the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude. And to highlight the top of my cheeks and the bridge and tip of my nose, I'm using this shimmery bronze shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette. To set my concealer in place, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. And to spread the color across so that it looks more natural, I'm using a spoolie. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. I'm first carving out my crease area by dipping into this brick brown shade Sienna by Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, to deepen my outer corner, I'm picking up the shade Cypress Umber with my pack brush in the style 126 and I'm blending it away with my dual-ended brush by ABH Cosmetics. To cut my crease, I'm using the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand with my flat shot shader brush, and I'm only taking the concealer halfway across my lid. For the middle of my lid, I'm diving into this mustard shade by Natasha Denona Biba shadow palette with my flat shot shader brush. And I'm saturating the inner corners with this matte bone eyeshadow tempera from the Modern Vanessa palette by EPH Cosmetics with my flat brush. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this gold shade from the Soft Glam palette by EPH Cosmetics with my flat short shader brush. Next, I'm smoking out the shade Sienna in my lower lash line with my pack brush in the style 126. To draw out a wing and to line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm using this brown shade with some undertones of the scarlet shade Natural Cocoa by Faces Canada. For my waterline, I'm using this white liner. This one is by Flamour. And for falsies, I'm using the Rufa Beauty lashes in the style Lila. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a wine colored blouse and a white net sari with some traditional jewelry and a matching bidhi. I hope you are enjoying my series on different color combinations on different color saris. In case you are, do check out my previous videos for some more color combinations. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.